mag-heal, third party, third wheel situation, hindi kailangan mag-apply agad-agad. Tayo ay general reading. Kung hindi man, may tension, miscommunication, misunderstanding. Yun lang naman yun. And I see the lovers side by side, umangat, merong magbabalik. Mananumbalik, babawi. Babawi saan? Sa ito, if ever nag-apply na po sa ilang misunderstandings na ito, aayusin, babalik, susubok ulit mula sa ilang pagsubok nyo. Especially when it comes to love. The lovers, actually, tinapos na tayo niyan. Love, love, love. Mangingibabaw ang pag-ibig ngayong mid-month of September. Actually, si Jupiter, kanina, kasi si the world ay narito, this is a sign of travel. Jupiter is the planet of travel. I-mention ko na rin sa inyo. Kanina ko pa na-mention kasi si Jupiter. Jupiter is the planet of love, wealth, travel, happiness, fulfillment. Right now, Capricorn still nasa inyong mga 7th house of relationship. May something luck dyan. Abundance, growth. Hindi niyo pa man yan totally ma-realize. Kaakibat man yan kasi ito yung na-mention ko, yung tension. Yung